Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala, Solapur. Today we are going to see the standard 10th Maths 1 chapter number 3 arithmetic progression. From that we have seen the practice set 3.1 and already we have started the practice set 3.2. From that question number 1 to 5 already we have seen. Now we have started the question number 6. Question number 6 is that how many 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5. Here the 3-digit natural numbers divisible by 5 are 100, 105, 110, dash 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 995. If you see 996, it is not divisible by 5. 997 also it is not divisible by 5. 999 is also not divisible by 5. The last digit is that 3 digit 995 is divisible by 5. So we are taken till here. The smallest and the biggest 3-digit natural numbers are divisible by 5 are 100 and 995. Here A is equal to, that is first term, T1 is equal to 100 and the common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is an 105 and minus T1 is an 100. 100 minus 105 minus 100, that is an 5. And Tn, the last term is given. Tn is equal to 995. And here we are going to find the n term, that is the number of terms. How many number of terms are there in this? That is which are divisible by 5. So here formula we know Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. By using this formula we are finding the n is equal to. Now here Tn is given, Tn is in a 995 which is equal to A is in 100 plus in bracket n minus 1. Common difference is in a 5. Therefore n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 995 minus 100. So n minus 1 is equal to, and this 5 is there, so I'll write it here. 5 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to 995 minus 100 means 5, and this 9 as it is, 9 minus 1, that is an 895 you will get. So here I will solve the remaining. N minus 1 is equal to 895 divided by 5. Here 5 is multiplication. When it goes to the other side of the is equal to sign, it becomes a division. So now here we will do the cancellation. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 remain. 5 sevens are 35, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. That is 4 remain. 5 nines are 45. So n minus 1 is equal to 179. So n is equal to 179 plus 1. So n is equal to, that is 9 and 1 10, 7 and 1 8 and this 1. So 880. That is n is equal to 180. The numbers are there. So here you can take the screenshot and write in your notebook. Thank you. Now 7th example, the 11th term and the 21st term of an arithmetic progression are 16 and 29 respectively. Then find the 41st term of the arithmetic progression. Here the 11th and the 21st term is given. So here T11 is equal to 16 and T21 is equal to 29. We know Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. Where here A is first term and and D is common difference. D is in a common difference. Therefore, now T11, n is equal to 11. So T11 is equal to A plus in bracket 11 minus 1 into D is an 29, D it is given difference, that is we don't know, that we are writing as it is. Now T11 is given, T11 is in a 16, which is equal to A plus 11 minus 1 is in a 10D. This is in a, now this same equation I will write in this way, that is A plus 10D is equal to 16. This is an equation number 1. Now T21 is given, T21 is equal to A plus in bracket 21 minus 1 into D. So T21 is an 29 is equal to A plus 20 minus 1 is an 20D. The same equation I will write in this way, A plus 20D is equal to 29. This is an equation number 2. Now from equation 1 and 2, if you will see, you can subtract the equation 1 and 2. Subtract equation 1 and 2. Equation 1, that is an A plus 10D is equal to 16. You can write in this way. That is an subtract equation 1 from equation 2. From equation 2. Equation 2 is an A plus 20D is equal to 29 minus A plus 10D is equal to 16. Now when you will subtract the second equation is which is here, that will change the sign. Plus it becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. That is minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So plus A minus A, it is cancelled. 10A upon minus 20A minus 10A, that is an 10D. 20D minus 10D is an 10D is equal to 29 minus 16, that is an 13. Keep the greater number sign, subtract it and keep the greater number sign, that is an 13. Therefore D is equal to 13 upon 10. Therefore D is equal to 1.3. Now put D is equal to 1.3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is A plus 10D is equal to 16. So A plus 10 into 1.3 is equal to 16. Therefore A plus 13 is equal to 16. Therefore A is equal to 16 minus 13. Therefore A is equal to 16 minus 13, that is an 3. A is equal to 3. Now the remaining example I will solve here. Now here the A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 1.3. Now here told us to find the 41st term, that is n is equal to 41st. Then Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. Tn, that is n is n of 41, which is equal to A is 3 plus in bracket 41 minus 1 into D is 1.3. Now T 41 is equal to 3 plus 40 minus 41 minus 1, that is 40 into 1.3. So T 41 is equal to 3 plus 40 into 1.3, that is 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4 and 1, 4 1s are 4 and 1 5. 5 point, sorry, that is 52 you will get here. 52. Then T 41 is equal to 1, 3, 4, 55. That is 41st term is 55. Here you can remove the screenshot and write in your notebook. Now 8th example, which term of an arithmetic progression, that is 11, 8, 5, 2, dash, dash, dash is 151. Then here T1 is equal to A is equal to 11. Then common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1, which is equal to 8 minus 11, which is equal to, you should subtract it but keep the greater number sign. Greater number is 11, so minus sign. 11 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, that is 3. That is minus 3 you will get there. Then Tn is equal to minus 151, it is given. Now here you are finding that n is equal to how much. Then we know the formula, that is Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is our formula. In this formula, here Tn value is given, keep it that value, that is minus 151 is equal to A, that is 11, plus n that we are going to find it minus 1 as it is. D common difference is minus 3. Common difference is minus 3. Now here minus 3 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to minus 151 minus 11. This plus 11 shifted to the other side, it becomes minus 11. So minus 3 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to minus and minus, keep the minus sign as it is and add it, that is 1 and 1, this 2, 5 and 1, 6, and this 1 as it is 162. Both side minus sign is there, so it is cancelled. So now it becomes n minus 1 is equal to 162 divided by 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 1 remain, 3 4s are 12. That is n minus 1 is equal to 54. Therefore, n is equal to 54 plus 1, that is n is equal to 55. Therefore, 55th term is minus 151 in this given sequence. You can get the screenshot and write in your notebook. Now 9th example, how many natural numbers from 10 to 250 are divisible by 4? Now here the numbers from 10 to 250 which are divisible by 4 are 12, 16, 20, dash 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 244 and 248. If you see 249, it is not divisible by 4. And if you see the other further number, that also it is not divisible by 4. So here now A, that is our first term, T1 is equal to 12, T2 is equal to 16 and dash 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 last number, that is Tn is 248. then the which number is an 248, that is 248, that we are going to see it. So now here the formula we know, Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is a formula. In this formula we are going to keep the values now. Tn is an 248 is equal to A is given, that is an 12, plus n, that we are going to find it, n minus 1 into D. D we have to calculate. Here I will write it. D is equal to T2 minus T1. T2 is an 16 minus T1 is an 12, which is equal to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That is an 4. D is equal to 4. That 4 I will write it here now. Now 4 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to 248 minus 12. This plus 12 shifted to the other side, it becomes a minus 12. 4 in bracket n minus 1 is equal to 248 minus 12, 8, that is 6, 7, 8, 6, 3 and this 2. In this way I will get here. So n minus 1 is equal to 236 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 3 remain, 4 9s are 36. So n minus 1 is equal to 59. Therefore, n is equal to 59 plus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 60. N is equal to 60. Therefore, there are 60 terms are divisible by 4 in the arithmetic progression, in this arithmetic progression. Now you can get the screenshot. And the last example is remained, that is the 10th one. That 10th example we will see immediately. Tenth example, the 17th term of an arithmetic progression is a 7 more than the 10th term. Find the common difference. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. The general formula I will write here, that is Tn is equal to A plus in bracket n minus 1 into D. This is a formula. Now T 17th term is equal to A plus in bracket 17 minus 1 into D. So T 17 is equal to A plus 16D. This is an equation number 1. Similarly, that is T 10 is equal to A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So it becomes T 10 is equal to A plus 9D. This is an equation number 2. Then by condition we will get that 17th term is an A plus 16D is equal to, it is 7 more than the 10th term is an A plus 9D plus 7. So this to the right hand side and to the left hand side A is there, we will cancel. 16D minus 9D is equal to 7. 16D minus 9D, that is an 7D is equal to 7. Therefore D is equal to 7 upon 7, that is 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, it is cancelled. D is equal to 1. Therefore the common difference D is equal to 1 we will get. Here the 3.2 practice set, it is completed. So the next we'll see in the other video the next practice set, that is 3.3. Now here, if you liked the video, you can subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.